Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, where we showcase the most extraordinary luxury homes across the United States. Today's tour is truly special. Welcome to Shoreland, a breathtaking half-acre tropical retreat located in the heart of historic Miami Shores, a home that perfectly blends architectural heritage with modern luxury living. From the moment you arrive, this property makes a statement. The grand entrance gate opens to reveal one of the largest residential lots in Miami Shores, spanning over 21,450 square feet. Mature palms, curated landscaping, and clean modern lines set the tone for what lies ahead. This is not just a home, it's a private sanctuary. Originally a mid-century architectural gem, Shoreland was completely reimagined in 2025 by Shoreland Group, uniting architecture, interior design, and landscape into one seamless vision of tropical modernism. Every detail has been thoughtfully curated to create a calm, resort-style atmosphere while maintaining timeless elegance. As we step inside, the home opens up into 4,370 square feet of refined interior living space. The open-plan design allows natural light to flood the home through expansive glass walls, creating a constant connection between indoor and outdoor living. Terrazzo floors flow throughout, complemented by bespoke wall coverings, artisan tilework, and custom millwork that elevate the entire experience. The living areas are designed for both comfort and entertaining. The main living room feels warm yet sophisticated, offering clean modern lines, soft textures, and views of the lush backyard. Just beyond, the TV lounge and cinema room provide the perfect setting for movie nights, sports events, or relaxed evenings with family and friends. The chef's kitchen is both functional and beautiful. Featuring high-end appliances, custom cabinetry, and premium finishes, it serves as the heart of the home. Whether hosting intimate dinners or large gatherings, this space is designed to perform while looking effortlessly elegant. The adjacent dining area creates a seamless flow for entertaining. This home offers 5 spacious bedrooms and 7 luxurious bathrooms, including dual primary suites. Each primary suite is designed as a private retreat, featuring spa-inspired bathrooms with premium fixtures, soaking tubs, walk-in showers, and serene design elements that promote relaxation and wellness. An additional in-law suite provides flexibility for guests or extended family. Step outside, and the property truly transforms into a private wellness resort. The meticulously designed grounds are nothing short of spectacular. A 42-foot lap pool anchors the outdoor space, surrounded by tropical landscaping that offers total privacy. An alfresco outdoor shower, full outdoor kitchen, and expansive lounging areas make this the ultimate destination for South Florida living. One of the standout features is the 1,000-square-foot wraparound pavilion, perfect for yoga, meditation, entertaining, or simply enjoying the peaceful surroundings. Nearby, a dedicated Zen meditation garden adds to the home's tranquil atmosphere, making this property a true escape from the everyday. Additional amenities include a private gym, game room, dedicated laundry room, and garage, ensuring that every modern convenience is thoughtfully included. Every corner of this home reflects quiet luxury, where quality, craftsmanship, and design speak louder than excess. Shoreland is more than just a house, it's a lifestyle. A rare opportunity to own an architecturally significant home that offers privacy, wellness, and resort-style living in one of South Florida's most desirable neighborhoods. This is a property that must be experienced in person to truly appreciate its scale, design, and atmosphere. Thank you for touring this incredible estate with American Dream Mansions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more luxury home tours across the USA.